Hi, my name's Jason, and I've been doing photography as a hobby around a year, and for the last year it's mostly been landscaping. But now I've started branching out in wildlife, and I found out I needed a hide. I got a hide, and then I found out I needed a chair. The chairs I had from before were kind of too high for the tents. So this is going to be my opening and review first impressions of the Tragopan Koklass V2 Chair. So, here you go. Yeah, so this is how the Tragopan Koklass V2 comes. Already, of course, open this because I don't want to sit here and, and having problems with the tape. So, yeah. First impression of the bag, it's really solid fabric. I guess it's watertight. It kind of reminds me of the pants I had in the Navy, but just more solid fabric, and so that's good. There's a carrier strap here. You can click, open, lock, easy, yeah, and adjust. Yeah, easy adjustment. It's a big slit here. You can open it here. No problem. Yeah, the bag is made of the same fabric. Seems good. Comes easy out. Open easily. It's kind of the same as a camper chair that you take with you on festivals or camping, but it seems like it's more solid. The regular camper chairs, they last like 3 days for me, most likely because of the weight. So let's test it. Yeah, immediately this feels a lot better than the regular camping chair. The pockets, they're big, really big. I guess I can almost fit a shoe in it. Like the first impression after that it's solid, my bum slips a little bit forward. I don't know if it's gonna be a problem in the long run, but I'm gonna find out when I go test it for a long trip. The legs seem solid. They're shorter than a regular camping chair, and that's kind of why I got it, because when I got my hide, the first thing I noticed with the regular camping chair was my head almost went into the roof. So then I read about this with shorter legs, and I thought, yeah, that's right enough. Right now, it seems like a good decision. So you see big pockets. There's an elastic band. Just put it through a hole, and it's closed. Same, open, easy. So let's see how we pack it together again. Yeah, just push it like that. Really easy. So I put my bag, and I guess I just put it back as I put it out. Legs up. Slide it over. It's kind of the worst part of things. It's taking it back in. So I'm kind of excited to see how this works. Yeah, it doesn't really seem to be any problem. Yeah, much easier than the packing in a tent again. Yeah, I just can't wait to get out and test it for real. Get a hide over time. So yeah, that's the Tragopan Koklass V2 Chair. Please write in the comments if I'm pronouncing this completely wrong. So I partly set up my hide to show you how the chair works with the Tragopan hide. It's a good height. As you see, my head doesn't go into the ceiling. My legs, they have a good angle. I see straight through the hole for the camera. I'm around 179 centimeters high, so this seems really great, and I'm really not that surprised because it's a Tragopan telt or hide and a Tragopan chair made for the hide, so I would be rather disappointed if it wouldn't work together as good as it does. So now, but all in all, the big question is how it performs over time when I actually go out and test it. So in 2 weeks, I'm gonna go out and test it. Maybe afterwards I can make a review of how the chair and the hide performs over time. So yeah, thank you.